Whether you have been using Xianyu Chinese shopping app for a very long time to source and ship products from China, or you are new to Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to request a refund from any store on Xianyu Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. For the first thing you want to do is open up your Xianyu app. Having opened up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate a particular product that you want to request a refund for. For that, you want to make sure you click on here to proceed. So from this part right here, this is where you need to ask for a refund for any product from any store on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. I'm going to use this particular product as an example right here. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the product right here. And this particular product here, I've already paid for the product, but the supplier is out of stock for a particular one I want from this particular product right here. As a result of that, I decided to ask for a refund, and I decided to make a video about it and show you step by step on how you can go about asking for a refund or request for a refund on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. I want a refund. And it's going to take you right here. At this point here, you have to make sure you select the reason for the refund among these options right here. So my own case right here is wrong or incorrect product. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. And the next thing you want to do is to state the reason for the refund right here. So I'm going to click on here and turn on my keypad. Then I'm going to state that wrong order. And click on here to submit. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to submit your refund request. Successfully submit, just like what you see right here. After successfully submitting your refund request, you can as well reach out to the supplier by simply click on here. And then I'm going to go ahead and chat them up. Kindly approved my refund request. Thank you. It's that simple. However, you can keep tracking your refund request progress from the sales page right here. For that, simply click on here. This will give you the detail about your refund request progress, just like what you see right here. However, if the seller did not approve the refund request instantly, the system will do it within the period of 24 hours, just like what you see right here. And the refund will be automatically successfully returned back to your Alipay account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.